was seriously hurt after a motorcycle crash in Monroe County this afternoon. This happened on State Highway 33 near the town of Portland. The Monroe County Sheriff's Office says they responded to the crash around 3:30. Officials say the driver of the motorcycle was driving eastbound and wasn't able to turn through a curve. The motorcycle went off of the roadway and the man fell onto the ground, traveling about 50 yards. The man wasn't wearing a helmet and seriously hurt his head. He was taken to a local hospital, and officials believe speed was a factor in the crash.